I created this Faceless YouTube channel using only AI. As you can see, I've earned more than 100 grand from this Faceless YouTube automation channel. This is not fake. Many channels make more than that in less than a year. And if you want to know how I did it, watch this video to the end as I'll explain everything in detail, plus a trick to make your videos go viral at the end. This is the same trick that Mr. Beast shared in his podcast, so make sure you start taking notes because I promise you'll not find a video like this on YouTube. Let's get straight to the point. Now, the first thing I did was find a niche with a high possibility of going viral on YouTube. To get this, I logged into ChatGPT and asked for 20 profitable niches for YouTube channels in 2023. Before you begin to wonder how ChatGPT gave me an up-to-date answer with the World News plugin integrated into ChatGPT, I get up-to-date information in real time. This plugin is the perfect plugin to get trending topics. Immediately, ChatGPT generated a list of niches for me, but I only needed one. Eventually, I settled with the health and fitness niche. Because it's currently going viral on YouTube, everyone wants to stay fit. Next, I asked ChatGPT to suggest a good name for my YouTube channel. Amidst the diverse names, Muscle Masters resonates with me. For the channel profile picture and banner, I used DALL-E 2 to create a fitness and health image. Initially, I wasn't satisfied with the first set of pictures, so I kept modifying the prompt until I found a better image that I could work with. As for the banner, I did it right here on DALL-E 2. I chose a template and added both the profile picture and image, and that was it. In less than 10 minutes, I'd finished creating a YouTube account. What's missing in the combo? My channel description. To get that, I went back to ChatGPT, and within a few prompts, it generated a perfect description that fits the channel. I did that in just a few seconds. I copied it, clicked on Basic Info, and pasted it here. I didn't rely solely on AI. I made some edits to the description before saving it. So please, when going through the same process, watch out for some grammar and spelling errors from ChatGPT. It's time for me to create my first AI video. I prompted ChatGPT for video ideas on fitness. In less than a second, it generated a long list of topics. They all looked interesting and quite popular, but I needed a title that could give me an edge over my competitors in the niche. And this was my best bet: How to Stay Active on Vacation. I was sure this was going to be a hit, as people are interested in maintaining their fitness levels while away having fun and eating everything possible. I could have used ChatGPT to generate my script, but no, there's a better option. I'll disclose that to you shortly. I learned InVideo.io is one of the AI systems for flawless script generation, so I went straight to the official website and signed up for the free account. On InVideo, I clicked on Text to Video, selected Landscape, then scrolled through the template videos on the website. All these gave me an insight into the kind of video I would love to create. There are amazing templates right here. I prompted InVideo AI to write a script on the best 5 ways to stay physically active on vacation. Start the video with a hook, keep the script under 5 minutes, and keep the tone of the video relaxed. I had to make my prompt this long to get the desired result. I clicked Generate, and InVideo came up with a great script. All I did was edit a few things and make it more creative. Then I clicked on the iStock and Premium box at the bottom, selected Create Scene, and instantly the IA came up with stock footage from premium sources and seamlessly integrated them into my video. Before I could even go through it, the initial part of my video was completed. It wasn't all perfect at first, but over time, I learned how to manipulate the features over time to get my desired result. I made a few modifications here and there and proceeded to generate a voiceover. I pressed the voiceover icon at the bottom, selected the language, my choice of artist, and highlighted my previous text. I ensured the voiceover narration aligned properly with the text and each scene. The second thing that I added was the music. there's a music icon on the left menu. I selected a song and dragged it into the video. That was how I made a perfect video. I uploaded the video to my YouTube channel. However, you're not obliged to use the in-video voiceover tool. Some other great voiceover tools, such as Descript, have real voiceover too. I highly recommend using the Descript overdub feature for the realistic human voiceovers feature. Now, there's a simple trick to drive traffic to a new channel or make any new video go viral. First, it's to incorporate keywords relating to trending topics in your video tag section and use trending hashtags and keywords. If it involves updating them every week, please do. I use the Keywords Everywhere AI tool for this. Secondly, the most important strategy of what's important is click-through rate. It's all about grabbing people's attention and making them click on your video. But once you're in, the average view percentage of how long they stay matters a lot. Now, many creators think CTR is just about having a catchy title or an eye-popping thumbnail. But hey, if someone loved your last video, they're way more likely to click on the next one. Mr. Beast once said that videos that hold viewers for about 70% of their length tend to perform the best. So let's aim for that before we think the algorithm isn't working for us. But here's the thing, even if they click, they need a reason to stay. That's where quality content comes in. Oh, and speaking of CTR, we managed to sneak a peek at Mr. Beast's analytics for one of his videos. It had an impressive 7% CTR, which, considering the massive views it got, is kind of crazy. So maybe aiming at a 10 to 20% CTR isn't a bad idea. Now, aside from all these numbers, here's my 2 cents. Whatever you do, love it. Passion and curiosity shine through. Remember, no YouTuber knows it all, but the best ones are driven by their love for what they share. So I used this same exact strategy and got a massive number of views, over 10,000 views in 48 hours. I created more videos with the same process, and the more videos I created, the faster it became. I uploaded 4 videos a week for 3 months. I got monetized in 2.5 months, and ever since, the channel keeps growing fast. And that is how I made 100K with AI in almost a year, following this same exact strategy I shared with you. Also, many of you are asking me on my Instagram how I did 25K in just 30 days. So I learned this in a free 2.5-hour video training from Glenn. In this free training, Glenn will show you exactly how you can also generate $10,000 or more in the next 30 days, even from completely starting from scratch. So if you're interested to enroll in this free training, you can go directly here to access it, $1,000,000freetraining.com, or you can check in the description of the video below for the link. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments what your take is on quality versus quantity. If you've made it this far in this video, I'd like to say thanks for your support and want to congratulate you for being one of the few people who takes everything seriously. And we'll see you next time.